Wilhelm Ferdinand Bendz was born March 20, 1804, died November 14, 1832, was a Danish painter mainly known for genre works and portraits which often portray his artist colleagues and their daily lives. He was one of the most talented artists in the successful generation of painters who studied under Christoffer Wilhelm Eckersberg but died early and has therefore left a relatively small oeuvre. Today he is mainly remembered for his many technically accomplished portraits, though his ambition most of all ran towards a refined fusion of portrait, genre scene and allegorical history painting. His technical virtuosity is particularly visible in his depictions of the play of light cast from an obscured source and the resulting shadows. His main works include several portraits of his fellow artists such as Ditlev, Blunck and Christensen, both in the Danish National Gallery, a scene from the Academy's anatomy class, as well as the group portraits at Tobacco Party and Artist in the Evening at Finck's Coffee House in Munich.